honestly, this might be my new favorite way to eat festival. Just a little bit of each. This one is some jerk seasoning. Now hear me out. I know this is a festival mix, right? But just hear me out. What if I use a festival mix to make a taco shell? I know you're not supposed to work a festival mix because you want it to be light and fluffy, right? I'm gonna just lightly press it into the shape that I want. I'm gonna let it rest. These are our finished products. We're gonna do beef. There we go. Some cheese. Some sauce. Why didn't I think of this sooner? Why didn't I think of this sooner?